Have you ever been curious about something, not sure how to go about it? Have you ever felt intimidated by the thought of making just one single change, terrified that you'd end up with an expensive paperweight due to some obscure thing you screwed up with? Well, you came to the right place. For this video, we're going to cover something that has been getting a lot of attention these days. Let's take a look at Linux. So, what the is a Linux anyways? Linux is an operating system just like Windows or Mac OS, but is more like a platform where people build whatever they want off of it. Because of this, there are many different versions you can run on your computer. And it's not so much a question of what is best, but what works for you and what kind of style are you going for.
Are you a demonic motherfucker who rocks their child to sleep on operatic chants of Satan's many names play in the background? Then Ubuntu Satanic Edition is ready and waiting to claim your hardware as its own.
Or, are you a kind-hearted soul with a devotion to the light that dwarfs all other things? Do you know every page of every Bible version cover to cover, and can do scriptural rap battles for days on end? Then the wholesomeness of Ubuntu Christian Edition may be the perfect fit to enlighten your system. Or you could be the definition of weird and try something like Hannah Montana OS. I don't know. You do you. Now, I bet you're thinking, but I already have something that works for me. Why change it? Well, this is more for the Windows crowd. With the way things are going these days with intrusive AI BS, the ever-increasing bloat that slows your system down while taking up more and more space, and even the occasional update that risks completely breaking your system if you were one of the unlucky ones to download it before it was caught, I figure an OS change may be in order. This is especially true for those of us with systems that are somehow not compatible with upgrading to Windows 11, despite being perfectly capable. After all, it's all free, so why not give it a try? But where do I even start, you might ask? Well, let's get to work. First thing you should do is to find a flash drive that's 8 to 16 gigabytes in size. Following that, we go onto Google search and look for a Linux distro. A distro is like a flavor. They're all Linux, but some just fit you nicer than others. This time we will try Zorin OS because it looks a lot like Windows and would be able to ease you into Linux. You download the installer for Zorin OS, then you go back onto Google to download a program called Balena Etcher. Start up the Etcher and stick the flash drive in the system. Follow the directions, and there you go. With your new install drive, you restart your computer, hit delete until you can get into the BIOS, and change the boot order. This makes the computer look on your flash drive before booting up. Save the change, reset, install. So, now you have a new OS, but all you know is Windows. What do? This is where Linux comes into its own, because most programs you use on Windows either have Linux versions, can run on a web browser, or have free alternatives. One notable program, for example, that replaces Microsoft Office in many ways is called LibreOffice. Just click around and do some searching. But what about games? This is what is causing the most talk regarding Linux. With Windows 11 not supporting perfectly capable systems, gamers are mad as hell. That being said, how well does it run games? Well, so long as you're using Steam, pretty well. This is Helldivers 2 running on my Linux test system. It has an 11th gen Intel i5 with 16 gigs of RAM, a 4 gigabyte RTX 3050, and for the OS, it's running Zorin OS 18.1. Now, due to already pushing it pretty hard, I had to resort to camera recording, since I don't have a separate screen recorder, and your boy's broke. That being said, getting a steady 45 frames per second minimum on medium settings, despite the specs, not too shabby. I will say that compatibility is not yet universal, so your mileage with other games may vary. However, compatibility is getting better and better as time passes. Is this a perfect fit? Not yet, admittedly. As a matter of fact, I'm still learning as I go. But it doesn't hurt to try. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I'm not sure when the next one will be out since I'm in the middle of some major life things right now, but let me know if you like what you saw. As for the next video, how about we dive into some self-hosting? I might go that route. I'll catch you guys in the next one.